shuttle. Look at that.
Yeah, you can see the shuttle back there.
1.6 miles.
Are you sure?
That's what it says.
I feel like
Are
we
you
should
sure?
turn in right now. I feel like everything's a lie.
This says visitor complex. Pretty sure this is Healy.
They maybe want to take you around the back way. They're open today from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. And there's lots of water around here.
They're retaining ones. That way the lamp doesn't flood.
Interesting. Center, and we're gonna park and we're gonna learn about space. Keely, are you excited to learn about space?
Yes.
Brianna, are you excited to learn about space?
Yes, I'm excited to learn about space.
Good, and they're gonna tell us how to go to Mars, right?
I don't know. We might be too old because my aunt said that they usually try to go for the little kids.
But
they can start training them
We
soon.
need to fall now so we can take that over too.
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I plan to take over the galaxy.
Yeah. I mean, like, you know, we conquered the moon. That's good. Then we conquer Mars. And then basically, since we have two, they're not going to mess with the rest.
I don't know about that. That might not be true, but we can always try.
We'll have two, and we'll just declare ourselves another planet, and that's separate from this planet. And if we, you know, if they try to come in, we'll just say that's legal and arrest them.
Should I get over into that lane? No, the people around me are going.
Face coverings are required. Always good to know.
I mean, that's like a state mandated thing, right?
Yes. But Florida's a little iffy about that.
Yeah, Florida's been really interesting about it because they'll yell at you in the parks.
Yeah. Like
at Universal, they would fuss at people, but nowhere else have we seen people wearing them, really.
Yeah. It's very interesting. We are now walking up to the Kennedy Space Center. You can see like rockets in the back. The big old NASA sign. The countdown board.
Can you get some pictures of the big?
Yeah. We are now inside of the Kennedy Space Center. There's plenty of things to do, so we'll take some videos out for you guys. But right now, we're trying to decide which building to go into. We see one right here that's called Heroes and Legends, and we might start there. We're going into the Nature and Technology exhibit.
Wait. There's somebody back. That's a blue heron.
Blue heron. Yeah, it's probably another exhibit. There's a big sign that says bus tours, so I'm assuming that's where we'll go. That one.
Yeah.
Towards the big sign.
You can try to say it's supposed to be there like 15 minutes before.
We have a space shop. There's a playhouse. Cafe. And we're heading to this big space shuttle to do a tour of Atlantis. We're walking up to Atlantis now, and this shuttle is huge. This rocket is huge. Can't even get it all into the frame. Yeah, down there. But this thing is humongous. Even like it extends.
Can you open the whole thing like that? Keep walking around.
So
They
this
have
is what they would
waffles,
set up
tortillas.
for them to eat.
This is just normal food that you can still buy today.
That's like chicken breasts. They have like a strawberry breakfast drink.
Strawberries.
A lot of dried fruit and vegetables. Looks like kind of stuff like you get at MRE. The back. Yes, if they did turn this on right now, we would all be there. Everyone in this building.
Crazy. And that's not even what got it up there.
No. It was this that got it up there, right? And then these turned on or
Yeah, the
something.
big building that we walked through to get in here is
Yeah.
what launched this up.
Yeah, it's 3 parts. And what was outside was the rocket boosters.
Yeah.
And this is just like the shuttle. Like the...
This is the space bus.
Yeah, the space bus. That's what we're gonna call it. It flew into orbit as a spacecraft and landed on a runway like a glider. So it's basically a rocket and a plane in one.
Yeah. It's got
Here's how they eat. This is a dining station.
How does it work? Where's the step-by-step guide?
I have no idea. It's over here. Yeah, fruits fly away in space. This is how they sleep.
personal sleep compartment.
Yeah, they have each have a personal sleep compartment.
Look, they have sleep masks.
Yeah, sleep mask. It's like a laptop there, paper, a picture of family, pens. Everything has to be like taped or glued because it'll float away. But yeah, basically it's like a little sleeping bag. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it zips up. This is the space toilet, and it has a step-by-step guide. Like they have to strap in, they have to aim using a camera, they have to wiggle, and in here you can see the toilet. And there's gears and a vent, and there's even a camera of the hole so that they can aim. Alright, we're currently in line to simulate going off in a space rocket. Yep. That's what we're about to do. We'll let you know how it goes. So we just got off the space simulator ride, and it was a lot of fun. They had you like, it felt like you were in space because they had you hanging, and like the only thing holding you down was like a seatbelt, so you were kind of like floating, it felt like. We got to experience what takeoff was like, and it didn't really feel like we were going fast, but more so it was really bumpy. And someone had like loose change in their pocket, and all you heard was like the sound of change falling. So I wonder if they got it all back or not. But yeah, now we're about to go